Hey everyone. Tonight we're slipping past the no trespassing sign on history's creepiest Airbnb, a convent that made the phrase forbidden habits way too literal. Picture nunchucks instead of nunchakas, confessional booths that doubled as speakeasy entrances, and a city so addicted to gossip it put reality TV reunions to shame. Spoiler, the holy water was 80% grappa. Could you survive here? Sure, if you can outrun a cassock wearing lone shark while balancing a chalice of contraband wine and texting your ex. New nunnery. Who dis? For everyone else, survival rating is -1 stars on Yelp, with reviews like great acoustics for screaming and The Exorcist never showed. Before we descend into this ecclesiastical episode of what could possibly go wrong, do the digital sign of the cross, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell like it owes you indulgences. But only if you actually enjoyed this sermon. I'm not your mom, unless your mom wears hooded robes and speaks in Latin asthma. Drop your coordinates in the comments, city, time zone, and what's in your mug, holy water or something that burns faster. I'll be picking the funniest location and mailing you a commemorative "I survived the nunnery" sticker, waterproof, sin-proof, tax-deductible. Dim the lights to moody crypt, silence your phone unless you're expecting a call from the Pope, and let the ambient hum of your fridge impersonate distant Gregorian EDM. Grab your emotional support blanket. Yes, the one that still smells like your last breakup. And let's tiptoe into a story so unholy you'll need to double your Hail Marys tomorrow. For the full, plush narrative, scoot to the description, click our channel link, subscribe, and let every extended episode rock you to sleep.